my channel. So I'm hoping that you are really well, and I am so happy to be sitting down and filming another video for you to watch. I hope that you enjoy it. If you are new to my channel, then hello and welcome. My name's Tara, and on this channel I'm no makeup artist, but I try my best, and I hope that the videos that I put out are reasonably okay. Is that a bit cheesy? I think that's a bit cheesy. Hit the little red box down there and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you do not miss any further uploads that I do. Today's video, I've done this green and yellow cut crease. Don't mind this. The eyelash is about to come off, but I won't mention it. We'll be doing a collab soon, so that's a video that will be coming soon to my channel, which is really exciting, which is with another fellow YouTuber. So we'll keep that under wraps, but that's a little mini exclusive. Let's get into the video. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Love you. So as usual, I'm going to use my Essence I Heart Colour Intensifying Eyeshadow Base, and I'm just going to pop that on my lids to prep for eyeshadow, because if you want your eyeshadow to last a really long time, using an eye primer or even concealer, to be honest, keeps your eyeshadow basically on for a really long time. To set it, I'm going to use my Rimmel Match Perfection translucent powder, and I'm going to use Real Techniques contour brush. I absolutely love this brush. It's so soft and it just gets into all the right places. What kind of things are you guys watching? Are you watching The Big Brother? Are you watching something else? I've got 3 different eyeshadow palettes here. So I want something bold, but I'm just playing around, to be honest. So I'm going to dip in first to this palette, which is the Revolution Pro HD Amplified 35 palette, and this one's Defiant. To this one, which is called Venture. I'm just literally throwing that into the crease area. Into this light brown that's called Revolution. I'm just going to pop that on top of where I just put that other colour. Backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Also guys, just want to point out, just a little disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I've never been trained to be a makeup artist. I've never really claimed to be a makeup artist. I'm more of a girl next door that likes to put a makeup on in front of the camera and talk to what I hope will become my best friends. I've also got this little palette, which is the Glitter Junkie from Primark, and I really want to play with this green. It looks so amazing. But first of all, I'm just going to knit into this colour, which is like a nice peachy pink, and I'm just going to run that just across that Revolution colour. I'm just going to use this full cover concealer, and I can never say the name right, so I'm just going to put the name here of what it's called, and it's just a full coverage concealer, and I'm just going to cut my crease using that. So I think I'm just going to cut it like halfway and just see how I feel with that. I'm excited, but I'm also nervous because I want to use that green on there, and I've used blues, but I've never used greens before. I'm going to dip into it. So I'm going back into the Glitter Junkie, and I'm going to put this neon green on that concealer. Oh lordy. think for the inner bit, inner corner, I'm going to use this lovely yellow out of this palette. I'm going to dip into this bright pink and pop that on the outer corners. So just into the outer corner and then bring it into the crease to this purple and just darken it up a little bit with that purple. So I'm just going to take a clean brush, fluffy brush, and just blend any harsh lines. So for foundation today, I'm just going to go in with the Revolution Pro in F7. For concealer, I'm going to use Primark's PS My Perfect Colour in Porcelain. I'm really loving the green. I didn't think I would, but quite like it. So to set it, I'm going to use the Rimmel Match Perfection before I turn into a creasy mess, because that tends to happen because your girl creases so bad. So I'm just gonna set that under the eyes using the Real Techniques contour brush. It's so sad, guys. I'm like nearly out of another Rimmel Stay Matte, and as you know, it's my favourite powder for setting my face, and I need a new one. I have to use my imagination palette. I'm not really doing a contour as such. So I'm using the Essence flat powder brush, and I'm just going to bronze up, I think. Why is my camera going so funny? So I'm going to go into Literally and Warrior, because why not? Give it a bit, dabble, 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 dabble. And bronze up this face. Oh, I absolutely love this palette. I mean, I'm obsessed. I talk about you guys all the time. I'm sure my colleagues just like roll their eyes like, oh, she's at it again, she's talking about YouTube. But I can't help it. I feel like, I don't know, I just feel so happy when I sit down and turn on the camera and I'm talking to you guys. This is my happy place, and I feel so much love when I'm sat here. And to think that only a few months ago I didn't even know any of you guys existed, and now I've got 200 and so many people following me. I mean, I'm a nobody, and you guys sit down, you watch my videos, you comment on my videos, and you're so loving that it makes me want to cry, to be honest. So I'm so grateful for each and every single one of you people that have pressed that subscribe button. This is for you. I love you, and I wish that I could give you a big cuddle. And I am cringy, and I'm probably, I don't know, annoying sometimes, but I just want to know, I just want you to know, I want to say a big massive thank you, and I love you all. What I've been thinking so much about is Halloween. I'm really I'm getting excited for Halloween. So excited. Oh, we shall see if I can do it or not. So, last time I used this palette, oh my god, it's so dirty, I'm so embarrassed. But kind of not. So, last time I used limited edition. So this time I think I'm going to use Angel Face, because I feel like I want to be an angel face today. So I'm going to use Angel Face. And I'm going to use a clean, cannot even get my words out. I'm going to use a clean Real Techniques contour brush and just dabble into that. love this. Every single time I use it, I'm just in love all over again. It's just so beautiful. Ooh. So to settle that powder down, I'm going to use the PS Primer Water because it's my favourite. I love that every single time I use it. I love it. So let's go back onto the eyes, guys. So going back into my top and my leggings are absolutely covered in makeup right now. I'm so glad you can just see this bit because this bit is a hot mess. So going back into the Glitter Junkie, I'm gonna go into this like peachy pink colour on a Zoeva pencil brush, and I'm just gonna run that on my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna go into this yellow and pop that in the inner part of my eye. So I'm going to use the Revolution Flick pen and attempt to do a winged liner. Just going to put some eyelashes on and I'll be right back, guys. So that's eyelashes on. These are the I think they're called Kayla lashes. I got them from TK Maxx, so I will link them below along with all the other products that I've used in today's video. Pop this black pencil, eyeline pencil in my waterline. It's a Technic black pencil and it's a crayon eyeliner. So I'm just gonna pop that into my waterline. So I'm going to go in with this Deluxe lipstick and it's in the shade Baby Doll, which is number 10. Like a nice nude pink. With this Maybelline Lip Elixir lip gloss, and this one is in Pink Blush, which is 105. So this is the end of the video, guys. I really hoped that you like it. Yeah, so I don't know what my hair is doing. I am so crazy with hair. As you guys, if you've been here with me for a while, know I cannot do hair in the slightest. I'm absolutely terrible at it. So this is the final look, guys. I've gone with a green and yellow, and these eyelashes will not stay on my eyeballs. So I really hope that you like this video, guys. If you do like these kind of videos, please give it a big thumbs up. It's completely up to you, but it does help me out to know if you like the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking that little red box which is just down there. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any further videos that I upload on my channel. And until next time, stay beautiful and I love you all.